Tara gawa tayo ng munggo with sotanghon using Good Life Premium Vermicelli. AKA sotanghon. Hindi dahil munggo Friday. Pero bakit? Pwede ka naman magmunggo kahit hindi Friday. Sinerch ko sa Google based on my research. It's a Lenten tradition na no meat on Fridays. So historically, any Filipino families, especially Catholics, avoid eating meat. Patay tayo dyan. On Fridays as a form of sacrifice. Kaso itong ginawa ko kasi meron siyang pork and shrimp. So, bahala na. Overload pala tong munggo na to. So, yun. Sundin nyo na lang yung nasa video and lalagay ko na lang yung ingredients sa caption o kaya dyan sa comment section. Enjoy!
I'll be in love with you. Please don't wake me up.
First time ko lang din to i-try. Kala ko weird pero ang sarap. Solid pala.
Living in my dream.